Welcome everyone to day 10 of the 14-day breath and meditation challenge. Let's start with some simple stretches. आज 10वें दिन आप सबका स्वागत है. चलिए कुछ हल्के फुल्के आसन करते हैं शुरू करने से पहले. Let's keep our palms open. Let's begin with the neck. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, chin to the chest. Breathe in. Feel the extension in the front of the neck, the compression in the back. Breathe out. सांस अंदर लें, थोड़ी को ऊपर खींचें, गर्दन में खिंचाव को महसूस करें. Breathe out. Now breathing in from the right, begin neck rotation. Right and up. Breathing out, left and down. सांस लेते हुए दाहिनी ओर से ऊपर और सांस छोड़ते हुए बाईं ओर से नीचे. Slow and conscious circles, no jerks or sudden movements. धीरे धीरे करें. After you complete this round, you may reverse the direction. Breathing in left and up. Breathing out right and down. विपरीत दिशा में 3 से 4 गोलाकार बनाएं. And after this round, you may relax. Place your palms on the shoulders, shoulder rotation. Make circles. Usually, the neck and shoulders get a little stiff. Let's loosen them out. गर्दन और कंधों को विश्राम दें. And reverse. And relax. Catch hold of your elbows with the opposite palms and gently rock right to left. अपनी कोहनी को विपरीत हथेली से पकड़ लें और दाएं बाएं. Keep a gentle smile on your face. Keep your face relaxed. Feeling the twist, the stretch in the lower part of the back. Right to left. And now let us churn butter. Stretch one arm forward, pull the other back and continue. Feeling the twist in the middle section of the back of the spine. एक हाथ आगे खींच रहा है, दूसरे को आप पीछे खींच रहे हो. रीढ़ की हड्डी के मध्य भाग में ट्विस्ट हो रहा है. Now point your arms upwards. हाथों को ऊपर की ओर करें. Now you feel the twist happening in the upper area of the back. कमर के ऊपरी हिस्से, रीढ़ की हड्डी के ऊपरी हिस्से में ट्विस्ट हो रहा है. Come back to the center and relax. Now gently rock the upper body side to side. Without lifting your hips off your seat, कूल्हे को ऊपर उठाए बिना ऊपरी शरीर को दाएं बाएं. Releases any strain in the sides. Come back to the center. Gently shake your hands out at the wrist. Relax the wrist. And you may relax. विश्राम कर सकते हैं. Very warm welcome to everyone to the 10th day of the 14-day breath and meditation challenge. आप सबका स्वागत है. अगर आज आपका 10वां दिन है तो 10 लिख दीजिए. If this is your 10th day of continuous practice, write 10. If it is your 9th day and so on. Do mark your attendance for your own self in the comment section. Wonderful. I can see many of you just at the moment when you're joining itself you're putting. That's amazing. That's really good. Okay. So today let's talk a little bit about how communication happens in our body. Outside when we want to communicate with someone, we use our cell phone, right? And for that, a good mobile network is a critical need nowadays, right? But this is how communication happens externally. But what about our organs? How do they communicate with each other? There, the messengers are the hormones, right? What do the hormones do? They go to the different cells and organs of the body and control their function. So when the hormones are balanced, the right amount of signal goes to the organ and they function smoothly. देखिए, बाहर हमें अगर किसी से संचार करना हो, बातचीत करनी हो, तो हम अपने मोबाइल फ़ोन का इस्तेमाल करते हैं और वो तब काम करता है जब अच्छे से सही मात्रा में सिग्नल आ रहा हो, है ना? सिग्नल नहीं हो तो फिर हमारा जीवन बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, राइट? पर हमारे शरीर के अंदर संचार कैसे होता है, ये बहुत ही रोचक है. हमारा एक अंग, हमारी एक कोशिका दूसरी कोशिका और अंग से कैसे बातचीत करती है, वो मैसेज या वो संचार भेजा जाता है हार्मोन्स के द्वारा. अब हार्मोन्स अगर बैलेंस्ड हों, अगर संतुलित हों, तो क्या होता है, हर अंग को सही मात्रा में सिग्नल मिलता है और वो अपना काम अच्छे से कर पाता है. बट ड्यू टू पुअर लाइफस्टाइल, our diets have gone awry because of the chronic stress that we go through. All of these cause an imbalance in the level of hormones, and this leads to several diseases. Right? Let me tell you, chronic stress is the biggest trigger here. Now, with breathwork and meditation, we can bring a balance in this hormonal system by removing the stress from our body. देखिए, हमारे जीवन शैली की वजह से हमारा जो भोजन खराब हो चुका है और जो हम इतने तनावग्रस्त रहते हैं, उसकी वजह से ये जो हार्मोन्स का सिस्टम है, ये जो हमारा हार्मोनल सिस्टम है, ये पूरा असंतुलित हो जाता है और उससे बहुत सी बीमारियों का जन्म होता है. प्राणायाम और ध्यान से हम ये तनाव को हटाते हैं और उससे हमारे हार्मोनल सिस्टम में भी बहुत ज़्यादा बेहतर रूप में संतुलन आ पाता है. So let's start today's practice with some pranayams. Let's begin with Bhastrika pranayam. So let us all take position for Bhastrika. If you have any of the health conditions that are showing on the screen right now, you can avoid Bhastrika. जैसा हम रोज़ कहते हैं, अगर स्क्रीन पे दिखाई जाने वाली कोई भी स्वास्थ्य की दिक्कत आपको है तो भस्त्रिका ना करें. If you have high blood pressure, you can still do Bhastrika, just do it gently. अगर रक्तचाप की कोई दिक्कत है या हृदय रोग है, आप फिर भी भस्त्रिका कर सकते हैं, बस हल्के से कीजिएगा. For the rest of us, let us all close our eyes and do Bhastrika with a pinch of force. Take a breath in and breathe out. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लें और छोड़ें. भस्त्रिका के लिए एक साथ breathe in, out, 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 and relax. Palms are open, eyes are closed. अपनी आंखें बंद रखें. भस्त्रिका प्राणायाम के दूसरे राउंड के लिए तैयार हो जाएं. एक साधारण सांस अंदर और बाहर. Breathe in and breathe out. Exhale completely. And together with force and enthusiasm, breathe in, out, in, out, in, in, out, 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 and relax. Observe the sensations in the body. Take position for the third and final round. Palms in a loose fist in front of the shoulders. हल्की मुट्ठी कंधों के सामने, कंधों को ढीला छोड़ें. Take a normal breath in and exhale. Breathe in once again. Breathe out completely. Empty your lungs. Together, breathe in, out, 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 and relax. You may gently open your eyes. Place your right palm on the abdomen the way we do for yogic breathing. Today we will do a variation of yogic breathing. With the left palm you place it gently on the chest. दाहिना हाथ हल्के से पेट पर है, बायां हाथ हल्के से छाती पर. Now close your eyes, आंखें बंद कर लें. Breathe in, expand the abdomen. Then fill up the chest. Fully breathe in, and as you breathe out, relax the chest and then the abdomen. सांस अंदर लें, पेट को फैलाएं, छाती को सांस छोड़ते हुए छाती को ढीला छोड़ें और फिर पेट को. Breathe in, expand the abdomen, fill up the chest, all the way up to your collarbones. Fill the air into your body. Breathe out, relax the chest, then the abdomen. Continue. जारी रखें. सांस अंदर लेते हुए पेट फूल रहा है, फिर छाती, और सांस छोड़ते हुए छाती को विश्राम दें, फिर पेट को. जारी रखें. Soft and deep breaths. Do not force the breath. After this round, you may relax. Now we will do the Bhramari Pranayam. Let me remind you, Bhramari is an excellent pranayam for better sleep. And today at 8:30 p.m, we have a bonus session for you on tips to have better, deeper, more restful sleep. Let us do Bhramari Pranayam. Place your index fingers on the lid of your ears. Bhramari Pranayam करेंगे. ये हमारी नींद में बहुत सहायक है और मैं आपको याद दिला दूँ, आज रात को 8:30 बजे हमारा बोनस सेशन होगा नींद के ऊपर. उसमें ज़रूर जुड़ें. और अभी हम भ्रामरी प्राणायाम करते हैं. टेक अ ब्रेथ इन एंड यू मे कंटिन्यू 5 राउंड्स ऑन योर ओन. 5 राउंड अपने आप करें. And relax after you've completed 5 rounds. And let us get ready for Nadi Shodhan Pranayam. With your left hand, make the Chin Mudra, tip of the thumb and index finger lightly touching. The other 3 fingers are straightened together. Place your left palm on the left lap. बाएं हाथ से चिन मुद्रा बनाएं और बाएं घुटने पे रख दें. Right palm in front of the face, thumb on the right nostril, index and middle finger lightly touching in between the eyebrows, and the ring finger on the left nostril. Breathe in from both, out from left. दोनों नासिका से सांस अंदर और बाएं से बाहर. In from left, बाएं से अंदर. Out from right, दाहिने से बाहर. In from right, out from left. In from left and continue. जारी रखें. After you complete this round, you may relax. ये राउंड समाप्त होने पर विश्राम करें. Let us close our eyes and keep them closed as we join Gurudev for the meditation. आँखों को बंद ही रखें. अब हम गुरुदेव के साथ ध्यान करेंगे. आज के ध्यान
Now sit comfortably, easily. आराम से बैठ जाइए. आंखें बंद कर लें. चेहरे में मुस्कान हो. Let's chant Om. गहरी सांस लीजिए. Let's take a deep breath in. This moment, you are pure, you are serene, इस क्षण में आप शुद्ध हो, आप मुक्त हो. Be in this moment. 100% इस क्षण में हम रहते हैं. वर्तमान में हम शुद्ध हैं और मुक्त हैं. दिस मोमेंट यू आर फ्री एंड यू आर प्योर. विश्राम करें. I am not just the body, I am not just the thoughts and emotions, I am the light. मैं सिर्फ शरीर नहीं हूँ, ना ही विचार हूँ, ना ही मन हूँ. मैं ज्योति हूँ. इस भाव से विश्राम करें. Your mind has no face. आपका मन का कोई चेहरा नहीं है, माने आपका कोई चेहरा नहीं है। आप सिर्फ ज्योति हो। You are just the light. You don't have a face. The face is only for the body. इसी क्षण में जीवन है, इसी क्षण ही है महत्वपूर्ण। बाकी सब छोड़कर वर्तमान में प्रसन्न रहे। This moment is all that is Just be here and now and let go of all the mind stuff of the past and the future. Go deep in this moment now. इस वक्त इस क्षण के गहराई में उतरिए. लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु. ओम शांति शांति शांति. धीरे धीरे शरीर और परिसर के प्रति सजग हो जाए. Slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surroundings. Become aware of this precious moment, this sacred moment. यह क्षण पवित्र है और धीरे धीरे आंखें खोल सकते हो. Slowly open your eyes.
Slowly and gradually you may open your eyes. धीरे धीरे जब भी आपका मन करे अपनी आंखें खोल लीजिए. How was your experience today? How are you feeling after the meditation? Can you share that in the comments with us? Also, did you do the little challenge of writing down your gratitude list yesterday? Do share that also with us. कल आपने क्या अपनी कृतज्ञता की वो लिस्ट बनाना याद रहा आपको? वो भी हमारे साथ ज़रूर बांटें और आज का अनुभव भी बांटें कैसा लगा आपको. You know, whenever we do breath work, meditation, it not only energizes the body but also relaxes the mind, right? प्राणायाम और ध्यान करने से क्या होता है, शरीर में तो स्फूर्ति आती है और मन शांत होता है. और एक और ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमें बहुत शांति देती है, वो है प्रकृति के साथ थोड़ा समय बिताना. तो आज के दिन हम क्या करेंगे, 5 से 10 मिनट आपके समय निकाल के, चाहे जितना भी आपका बिजी जा रहा हो दिन, 5 से 10 मिनट समय निकाल के हम प्रकृति के साथ बिताएंगे। किसी पार्क या गार्डन हो आपके घर के पास, वहाँ चले जाइए, या फिर घर में ही पेड़ पौधे हों उनके साथ थोड़ी देर बैठिए, या हो सकता है कुछ गार्डनिंग या कुछ कर सकते हैं तो वो कीजिए, पर 5 से 10 मिनट प्रकृति के साथ। यू नो, another such activity which energizes us, grounds us, makes us feel more centered and balanced is spending time with nature. So today, take out 5 to 10 minutes in your day, no matter how busy you are, just squeeze out a little time and spend time with nature. Yeah, it could be in a park or in a garden, or it could be just gardening at your home. If you have some potted plants, you can just spend some time, keep up in their upkeep, you know. But that is very nurturing for us. So do share that time, that precious time with nature, and share your experience with us tomorrow, how you felt. Yes? Okay, now let's take some questions if you have any. Also, let me remind you once again, tonight at 8:30 p.m. we have a bonus session on sleep, where we are going to share with you some practical tips and useful techniques with which you can improve the quality of your sleep. So please invite your friends and family to join in. You also join in. Even if someone has not attended the challenge so far, they are welcome to come for the bonus session. आज का रात को 8:30 बजे हमारा बोनस सेशन होगा नींद के बारे में। कैसे आप अपनी नींद की जो लंबाई ही नहीं, बस उसकी गहराई भी और बेहतर कर सकते हैं, इसके ऊपर कुछ टिप्स देंगे आपके साथ, कुछ तकनीकें बांटेंगे। तो ज़रूर जुड़िएगा आज रात को 8:30 बजे। अपने मित्रों को भी निमंत्रण दें कि वो भी आके जुड़ सकें। कोई इस चैलेंज से अब तक ना जुड़ा हो, वो भी आज के सेशन में ज़रूर आ सकते हैं। आपके प्रश्न लेते हैं। Let's take some questions.
Marina is saying, as we advance in meditation, I have been able to concentrate and detach from everything, which is such an amazing feeling.
Wonderful. However, let me reiterate, do not concentrate in meditation. Meditation means relaxation. So by that word, if you mean that your mind is becoming stiller, that's great, yeah? But don't put any extra focus or attention that takes you away from meditation. Why to get up from right side from lying down position? Is there any specific reason? Kavachi, when we turn to the right side, it is relaxing for our nervous system. It cools down the body. So after meditation, it is a good idea to turn to the right and sit up. Today, for the first time, for only a few seconds, I could feel the essence of meditation. Wonderful, Dhumalji. It's just a few moments only are needed, to re-energize us. So. Recently, I've gone through abdominal surgery, so during Vastrika, I usually do yogic breathing. Is it okay? Absolutely, Nirmalji. You can do yogic breathing. Will my gained weight automatically go after menopause? Shuchiji, this you need to consult your gynecologist. So, for what should be your right lifestyle at this time? What are the exercise routines you should follow? What is the food you should be careful about? This is a period of a significant change in your body. So please make sure you're being guided by your gynecologist. When going on a downward spiral and becoming negative and having negative things happening as a result, how to catch oneself and get back on track? See, when you're in the storm of that emotion, it is very hard to catch hold of yourself, right? What we need to do is regularly practice breath work and meditation. What does that do? It gives us so much internal strength and awareness that when that emotion comes, when we are going into that spiral, we have the boon of awareness. Because the moment you become aware, you are anyways half out of it, right? So that awareness can be cultivated with regular practice of pranayama and meditation. So because there are no spot fixes for this, right? You don't practice anything and then you expect to immediately turn your mind around during a point of crisis. That's usually challenging. Yeah. So practice and keep consistency, and you will see that inner strength starts rising.
There are so many people who are expressing their gratefulness. Shailaja is saying she's grateful to mobile, internet and Wi-Fi also.
Yes, because of which you can attend all these sessions as well, right? When I sleep, too many negative dreams trouble me. Please give some tips. Hina ji, why don't you join the session tonight? We are going to share with you how you can sleep better, more restfully. When you wake up, you're feeling more energized. How can that happen? Why don't you join for the session? You'll get all the information in one place, right? In yogic breathing, while breathing out, I could feel my stomach getting lighter before the chest. That's okay, Alka ji. You follow whatever is happening naturally.
Divya is saying she felt dryness in the throat while doing Nadi Shodhan. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay, but it just depicts that you are slightly low on hydration. So just make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. 3 to 4 liters minimum, right? Because these are very hot days, we don't even realize and we are getting dehydrated. So please drink enough fluids. I suffered a spine injury recently by a fall. Can I do Bhastrika, having pain and under medication? Neetaji, you can avoid Bhastrika. You can do the other breathing techniques. While we are practicing Bhastrika, you can do yogic breathing. Blocked nose को कैसे ठीक करें? साक्षी जी, regularly practice pranayama. Yeah, breath work makes a big difference. It keeps our sinal passage clear, and if currently your nose is blocked, also do pranayama. Don't skip it, because it will help bring more relief to your sinal passage. I'm having election duty for the whole day, won't be able to attend the session. Can you give the recording for the same? Krupaji, 8:30 in the night, hopefully you'll be out of your service, so that time you can attend the session. Today I lied down during meditation, is that okay? Sushmita ji, it's okay once in a while, but ideally it's best to sit during the meditation. During meditation, I felt a connection to the universe and all the positive affirmations came to my mind as if the universe was listening. Wonderful.
Deb Smith is saying, is there any particular order to do pranayams?
So, we will teach you what is it that you need to do after this challenge is over, what are the techniques that you need to learn and practice on the last day. Yeah? So don't worry, till then you don't worry about the order, you can just do whatever we are doing here. मेडिटेशन रिलैक्सेस मी, माइग्रेन के लिए प्राणायाम बताइए. विप्रा जी, आप नाड़ी शोधन प्राणायाम से शुरुआत कर सकते हैं, ये आपको मदद करेगा.
Which pranayam is good for high BP?
All pranayams, yeah, except for of course Bhastrika, you need to do lightly, but Nadi Shodhan pranayam, Bhramari, right, yogic breathing, candle blowing, all of this helps normalize your blood pressure. And Sudarshan Kriya is very, very effective when it comes to normalizing blood pressure, bringing balance in all our systems of the body, not just the circulatory system, but all the systems.
Alka is saying how to stop overthinking. She has a lot of thoughts all the time.
Pranayama and meditation will help you come out of this, right? See, overthinking is simply a mind stuck in one particular thought, right? Playing it over and over and over again. Yeah? So what can help cut this cycle is pranayama and meditation. That together is what really works, right? Why don't you practice and you share your experience with us, whether this has helped you. Can we take bath after meditation? Yes, Amisha ji, you can. Just leave a 10-15 minute gap, that should be enough.
After 14 days भी मुझे क्लास ज्वाइन करना है. What can I do?
हम आपको जो 14वां दिन है उस दिन बताएंगे आगे आप इसे कैसे जारी रख सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो आप 12th मई के सेशन को मिस नहीं करना, कुछ भी करके ज़रूर आइएगा. मेरे थ्रोट में कॉफ रहता है, प्लीज़ गिव मी अ सोल्यूशन. विनीता जी, आपको अपने जो सांस लेने की नलियाँ होती हैं, जो हमारा एयरवे होता है, उसको और सशक्त करना है. अगर आपको रेगुलरली होता रहता है, देखिए कॉफ़ के बहुत से रीज़न्स हो सकते हैं, या तो ज़ुकाम की वजह से हो सकता है, कुछ एलर्जिक हो सकता है, या फिर अगर एयरवेज इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है तो भी एक चोकिंग कॉफ हो सकता है. तो क्या कर सकते हैं हम? रेगुलरली प्राणायाम प्रैक्टिस कीजिए. पूरी अपनी स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखने के लिए भोजन, नींद, व्यायाम, इन सब का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा, है ना? तो उससे आपको मदद मिलेगी. Will my breathing help? Will all breathing types help in vocal cord polyps? Yes, Preeti ji, definitely. However, keep checking that you are feeling comfortable during the pranayam. If during any pranayam you feel a discomfort, please skip it.
Difference between pranayam and asana, Shivendra wants to know.
They are two different. You have used two different words. You already know the difference, right? Asana is what? We are using the body to feel that sense of stillness, and dhyana, pranayama is with the breath, meditation is for relaxation for the mind.
Supriya is asking repeatedly, she's having pimples at cheek, chin and neck. Is this because of hormonal changes?
Yeah, mostly they are linked with hormonal imbalances. However, it's best you consult a doctor and follow the advice that is given by them. You can consider Ayurveda. Ayurveda has some amazing herbs that can help you balance any doshas in the body.
A similar question Rajeshri is asking, which pranayam helps in hormonal imbalance?
All the pranayams. See, our hormones are not isolated. Yeah, that one pranayam will affect one hormone and another pranayam will affect. It's not like that. Our system is interconnected. Everything is connected to each other, right? Not just within the body, but even the mind impacts the body in a big way. So you cannot spot fix one, put a pin on one thing, no. Everything is linked with each other. So your food has a big role to play. What are you eating? Whether you're digesting properly. Your lifestyle has a big role to play. Are you leading an active lifestyle or is it sedentary? Third, your sleep plays a big role. That is why today we are doing a special session only on sleep. And then pranayama, meditation, they bring down the stress levels, bring that balance in the hormonal system. So, there is no shortcut to health. You have to take care of everything, then you are on track. Yeah.
Yoga for students to remember for long. What have we learned?
Join us, keep joining us, you will learn about that. Is candle blowing breath same as straw breath? Yeah, almost the same. In straw breath, we are not blowing out, but we are breathing out through a small aperture. This is straw breath. In candle breath, we are blowing. So that small difference is there. Any pranayam for speaking disorder like stammering and stuttering? In my experience, I have seen many of even my friends who have come out of stammering and stuttering with regular practice of Sudarshan Kriya and meditation. This has happened, I have seen it happen myself, so I can vouch for this way. However, along with this, whatever coaching your, the voice coaching that your doctor has given, follow that as well. But do supplement it with regular practice of Sudarshan Kriya and meditation. If you haven't yet learned Sudarshan Kriya, please stay connected with us. On 12th May, the last day of the challenge, we're going to share with you how you can make Sudarshan Kriya part of your life. It's a very powerful technique, very, very effective. Okay, खाने के बाद सोने के टाइम क्या हम ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइज और मेडिटेशन कर सकते हैं? आप कुछ प्राणायाम कर सकते हैं सोने से पहले, सभी नहीं. जैसे अगर आप भस्त्रिका करेंगे सोने से पहले तो आप एकदम फ्रेश हो जाएंगे, एनर्जाइज हो जाएंगे, फिर तो नींद आने में मुश्किल होगी. तो कौन से प्राणायाम कर सकते हैं? आप भ्रामरी प्राणायाम कर सकते हैं, नाड़ी शोधन कर सकते हैं. इन सब से आपको मदद मिलेगी. ओके, विद दैट शैल वी क्लोज दिस सेशन. एंड if you have any more questions, if suppose we have not gotten to your question today, then please put it again. We still have a couple of more days together. You can join in for one of the evening sessions as well. It's best if you are meditating twice a day. And we'll see you for the next session. Take care. Namaste.